So first, let's go back to Friday. If you watch my YouTube video, I told you the low point, the resistance would be 438. Where did the SPY end up? We'll talk about it. 438. SPY prediction for Friday started 444, 445, then dropping down to 442, 441. Nailed that. Then what happens? Bounces to 445. Exactly what happened. Goes down to 444, up to 447. I stopped there. Why? Because you got to watch the video. What I said on Friday is the SPY could drop to 438, and if it does, and it hits resistance there, it could bounce a little. So we bring to this chart, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you do bounce tomorrow morning, because futures are green right now, I'm shooting this around 8:30 p.m. on Sunday, so you could timestamp it. Futures are up like 100 points. Now, I'm not going to let it fool me. I know what to expect tomorrow. If tomorrow turns out green, I know Tuesday and Wednesday will be red, but I'm not letting it fool me. Why? Let's talk about the facts and what do we know about the market. So I've got the 5-day of the SPY up. And as you can see, each day we hit a lower level and volume's been pretty strong. Now, there was some buying, as we know, Friday. And Friday started out where the NASDAQ was up 1% and then dropped a full percent. Has not happened in 20 years. Is a very negative sign for the market. So if you watched Friday's video and I said 438 was a little resistance, but if we pass 438 on the way down, we're going to hit 430. So let me tell you why we're going to hit 430 on the SPY this week. And I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow, but it's definitely happening this week. And if you have that strategy, and tomorrow's a green day or an inflow day, I'm going to load up on puts personally. I'll load up on UVXY. Why? Let's talk about it now. Russia, Ukraine. Russia's bringing their troops up to Ukraine. We came back and Biden and the secretary said, if Russia sends one troop into Ukraine, just one, there's going to be major sanctions. Now, Vladimir Putin, very smart guy, and if you saw my video last week, I said he's using this as a negotiation ploy, right? To get more for his country, to get better results for whatever he's asking. I don't know, he's a very smart man. But smart, narcissistic people like that, they don't like ultimatums. They hate ultimatums. So, facts. They were talking about if they just send one troop, sanctions, okay, Vladimir is going to say, show me, prove it to me. Caused a lot of commotion. I've sent one troop. Now, what else did I hear over the weekend? There was a report that they were working on a coup in the Ukraine. Obviously, a Russian-led coup, where a friend of Moscow is put in power. So that's a rumor that's having, which would be more diplomatic because Russia doesn't have to invade the Ukraine. It could be something internal between the two sides internally. But I hope that doesn't happen because it'll yield the same results. Okay, with that said, so now you have Russia putting pressure on the Ukraine, the U.S. giving Russia an ultimatum, okay? We've got the Fed speaking on Wednesday, all right? Probably going to announce further tapering, okay? Where they reduce their balance sheet and they show less support for the market. So, psychology, as we head into Monday of trading, think to yourself, the people that were selling the SPY Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, are they looking to buy on Monday? Are they looking to chase, say futures are up 50 to 100 points? Are they going to chase? No, they're looking for a better discount. So when anything's done tomorrow, again, sometime in the upcoming few days, all right, the SPY will be at 430. And at that point, I'm still not sure we're going to see the bottom. Understand, in a bull market, it's hard to call the top. Remember what Tesla was doing 2 years ago? And it would go up 5% every day. And the people that tried to short Tesla lost a lot of money because they were trying to call the top. Same thing in a bear market. If a stock goes down and down and down, and you keep saying it's not going to go lower than this, not going to go lower than that, right? I've heard people say that with Riot and Mara and Bitcoin related stocks. I heard people say that with Roblox. When I shot a video, if you look below last week, Roblox was 77. I said it was probably going under 69. It's now at 68. If you watch my Friday video, I said it's probably going to 63. So if Roblox goes from 68 to 63, it's going to lose another 9%. If Roblox loses the 9% at some point this week, what do you think is going to happen to all the other players? Netflix, Roku, Google, Apple, Amazon, Tesla. They're probably going to drop 3, 4, 5, 6%, Disney included. And yes, Pelosi's been buying a ton of options, and maybe she'll make out well. Her options expire in August of 2022, which is 8 months out. And then she goes a full year, leap year, to 2023. So yes, if you ask me a year from now, will the markets be better? Heck yes, markets are gonna be strong in a year from now. But we're talking about the here and the now. That's why you're watching my video. I'm telling you there's gonna be pressure on the SPY. There's huge volume, huge unloading their bags. Even if we get a little bounce tomorrow, which will bring me to this chart, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, chart I made with my excellent artwork. If we get a bounce tomorrow, I expect selling on Tuesday and Wednesday, and for us to land at a lower point on Wednesday than we are right now. All right, so if we're at 438, I think 430 by Wednesday is fair. If it goes up tomorrow, it could go up. Let's talk about the scenario. It could go up to 443 on the high side, could gain like 1% if the markets are strong and there's inflow. Again, they won't fool me. There was heavy selling Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Even if the markets try and trick me tomorrow, I'm not buying because I know we're still in a bear market. Check out my other videos. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about, and I appreciate you guys being here with me.